About to do the Ice Bucket Challenge, but before I do, I nominate my friend Kit, Charlie XCX, and Rita Ora. You're next. Here I go. Here it goes. Also donating $1,000. It's your girl Erica Mona. I've accepted the Ice Bucket Challenge by my boss Lauren. I'm challenging Dick Rita, Mona Scott Young, and Peter Guns. Here it goes. Also donating $1,000. I'm not one to ever turn down a challenge, especially when it's as important as raising awareness for ALS treatment. So here we go. Might look like a small bucket, but it was filled to the top with ice and cold water. Oh my God. It's ice and cold water.
John and I am coming to you from beautiful South Beach, Miami. Give them a pan of what we live like down here in gorgeous South Beach. So cold, oh my God.
Dude, we're not used to this cold water.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I have like a glacier in there, dude. It's like Titanic. Check out the ice. Go to alsa.org and donate today. How long can I procrastinate putting this? Are you guys ready?
Did you get it?
24 hours to do the challenge or donate $100 to charity.
Yeah.
The nipples are hard. Maybe that's right. That's kind of what check. Here, no, come on.
Kristen Deneen in Australia, Dave Beresford, and Lisa Arnett.
Nice, I smell this.